Hey there, Chris here from essayguidance.com, just showing you 3 quick strategies you can use to make your reference list look professional before you submit it. So step 1 is to make sure that all the font and all text is the exact same size and style as the rest of your essay. Usually with a reference list, you've copied and pasted some titles and some names and things, and it comes out looking a bit like this, where some font is bigger than other fonts or in a different font style than other font. So just highlight all of it and make sure that it is the same font as the rest of the text. So this student wrote their essay in Times New Roman size 12, so I'm going to reset that all to Times New Roman size 12 straight away. Step 2 is to make sure that it is all in alphabetical order. So keep all of it highlighted just like it is now. And then we go up to the A to Z button up here at the top. Now, if you can't see that A to Z button, make sure you're in the Home tab. It's all highlighted, and then click that button and then OK. And you can see that the reference list is now in alphabetical order, starting from A and going down to W. And then step number 3 is to indent the second line of each reference. And that's what we call a hanging indent, which makes it look very, very professional. So if you are on a PC, all you need to do, keep all of that text in the reference list highlighted again and press Control T, and then you'll see that the bottom lines are all indented. If you're not on a PC, it's usually Command T, but obviously that might change depending upon your computer. But Control T there for PCs for most people, and then you can see all of those second lines indented, and that reference looks a ton more professional now, and you're more likely to have your marker a lot more impressed with the professionalism of your work.